A-level physics explores the phenomena of the universe. It combines practical skills with theoretical ideas. Physics is recognised as being a subject which develops useful skills for a wide range of careers in problem solving, analysis and communication. Physics develops your critical thinking and problem solving skills. Physics drives technology advancements, society, environment and the economy. B grades are essential in maths and in science to study physics. Physics requires a high degree of mathematical ability because of the equation use. There are 2 examinations in Year 12, 2 examinations in Year 13, coupled with 1 practical examination. Responsible for teaching electricity in Year 12. This involves using complex circuits in the analysis of electronics and electricity. I teach waves. Waves is the study of how energy transfer from one place to another place using a variety of different waves that affect buildings and machines. In Year 13, I teach gravitational fields, electric fields. I'm responsible as well for the use of physics in experimental procedures, doing analysis and doing the data.
Mr Harvard i fi, a byddai'n dysgu kinematics, dynamics, energy concepts from PH1. So basically the physics of anything that's moving. Also looking at the biggest stuff in the universe and using radiation to investigate them. Also the smallest stuff in the universe, so what's inside a proton and a neutron like the quarks. In PH2 I'll be looking at photons and lasers.
So I teach materials, which is the study of materials like metal, glass and rubber at an atomic level, figuring out why these materials break. Moments, so understanding how objects balance in the real world and how we can use forces to our advantage. For example, why is it easier to open a jar with a piece of duct tape than just your hand? And refraction, so observing the phenomenon of light bending and how we can use it in things like fibre optics.